Hey, what is up guys, Rigo here with another video of Samsung Galaxy Note 5 unboxing. Here's the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 32GB gold color variant. Let's unbox it. Firstly comes the device. We'll see to it later on. This is the user manual, quick start guide, SCR certificate information, regional lock guide, warranty card. Let's see, open up the box and see this. This is a SIM ejection tool which helps you put on nano SIM card. These are the S Pen tips, a remover and 5 extra S Pen tips. This is the adaptive fast charging adapter. This is the second generation of this product. It will also help you charging your device in 30 minutes, around more than 50%. This is the data cable, fast charging data cable, micro USB 2.0. Here comes the headphones. These aren't the standard headphones we get with another Galaxies. This headphones seems pretty much like Apple EarPods. Seems like someone has copied something. Let's keep this aside and let's get toward the device. The device is booting Galaxy Note 5. This is the boot screen. We can select many languages. Indian languages are printed right here. There are English UK, English US, Nepali, Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, etc. We'll select the English one. We'll connect with the Wi-Fi. Later on, let's agree the terms and conditions. Yeah, finally we are into the device. I'm done with the unboxing. Stay tuned guys for further updates. Thank you.